Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite normal. You will have to activate them just by using the build number in the section about your phone. So you have to keep tapping on it. If you want to, I've just recorded a video of how to enable the developer options, so I highly recommend to check that and then come back to this option to this video to activate the automatic system updates. So let's enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned on. So if you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to just tap on the switcher. And from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically, you do not have to remember about manually updating your device. However, you have to remember about restarting it from time to time. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.